In this video we will showcase the improvements made to our Forex VPS ordering system. You can now instantly launch your Forex VPS with more than 50 different brokers, tools, and apps. Let's take a look at how it works. First, we will select a VPS plan to order. In this case we will select the basic VPS plan. On the order form select your billing cycle, VPS location, and operating system. Next you will be able to see our deployment tool, which allows you to select brokers, tools, and apps to launch on your VPS instantly. Any broker and app selected will come pre-installed on your VPS automatically. For example, if we select IC Markets as our broker, this means that our VPS will come with the IC Markets MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms pre-installed automatically. After completing the order form and clicking checkout, the VPS will be set up and delivered to us instantly via email. Thanks for watching this video demonstrating our new Forex VPS ordering system. If you have any questions, please contact us. Don't forget to use promo code FLASHSALE to save 50% on your next order with NYC servers.